Good morning.
Very, very good morning to you. How are you doing?
I'm great. How are you?
I'm so pretty well because I'm just honored, which I'm just talking to you.
Okay, can you tell about yourself?
Yeah, sure, definitely. By the way, my name is Bipin and I'm just talking to you from New Delhi, India. Couple of days ago, I have already qualified 10 plus 2 standard from CBSE. In these days, I'm pursuing Bachelor of Arts from Delhi University. And my hobbies are reading newspaper and reading books and talking to different people and traveling as well. So may I know also about yourself because you are just an unknown person for me?
Okay, I will tell about myself. My
Sure.
name is Kanishka. I'm 7 years old. Before that, I'm in second standard. Now I go to third standard. And my hobbies are to reading and I like to play cycle also and I like to play with chess also, business game and Uno. And it's my channel on YouTube English with Tanishka.
All
And I
right.
like to play piano also.
Wow, that's a great. I'm just delighted to hear it. Okay, so by the way, I just want to ask some questions. I hope that you will answer me accurate.
Yes,
Okay, so one of them, my question is here to be asked that why have you decided so far that I should also be a good speaker at English? Why?
uh, can you repeat? I don't understand.
Okay, I'm telling you. Actually, I was about to ask you that why have you decided that I should also be a good speaker at English? Why do you want to learn English?
Because it is a global language and I like to learn this language and I want to become a good English speaker and I'm learning this language. That's why I'm reading the books also and I want to become a good English speaker. That's why I'm learning English and it's my hobby to learn English.
Wow, that's a great. Okay, so by the way, I would say about your English, the moment you are just talking to me with point to point. So according to me, your English is quite well. So there is accuracy and there is fluency in your English. Despite being you are saying actually I just want to be a good speaker at English. Why?
I want to become good English teacher because my mother tell me you have to become a good English speaker. Then you can teach everyone. You can take a sessions.
All right. Okay. So apart from that, how many members do you have in your family?
There are four members in my family: my father, my mother, me, and my sister.
All right. So in fact, I would say that what does your father and mother do?
My mother makes my video and she upload on YouTube, and my father do electrician job.
Wow, that's amazing. All right. Okay.
Yes.
So by the way, do you have any question for me?
Yes. Can you tell me your five best qualities?
Actually, I couldn't get your point. Would you be mind to let me know again?
Can you tell me five best qualities?
Five qualities.
Yes, best qualities.
Actually, best quality, I would say that you can say talking to different people and can say I just want to explore new things on social medias. Like so,
Oh,
I would say that these are my some qualities.
okay. And mine best qualities are fun. I like to help poor people. And when I go to buy something or when I go to medicals and I speak in English, and then I don't push when I'm going to from the stairs.
All right.
And then
Okay.
I like to help poor people also, and I like to read storybooks also.
Okay. So apart from that, I've got a query which I want to ask that why have you decided so far that I should also create YouTube channel? So if you have already created, so by the way, how many subscribers do you have on your YouTube channel so far?
I don't know because I don't watch mobile. That my mother only. No.
Okay. So you make only you make a lot of videos by people with the help of English, right? And your mother uploads your videos. Am I right?
Yes, she uploads and edit and upload it.
That's a great. I would say actually, if I speak honestly about yourself, that something is good better than nothing because you are just doing good job and great job according to me.
Oh, thank you, sir.
All
And
right.
can you
Yes.
ask me questions?
Yes, sure. Definitely. I've got a lot of question to ask you. Right.
Yes.
Okay. So, do you have any best friend?
Yes, I have a best friend, but I can't tell the name because when I tell one name, the second will be angry.
Oh, wow.
Yes, and I will ask you one question that can
Yes.
you tell me your five bad qualities?
Five bad qualities.
Yes.
Okay, sure. Actually, your question is just divine for me. So, which I want to start from. So I would say about five qualities, bad qualities. Whenever I try to study, so I think that actually it's not time to study, and I should use phone for a while, and I should just you can say gossiping and you can say talking to my friend. So I think that I should study tomorrow. This is first quality. And in these days, actually in these days, I am just waking up at 5 o'clock in the morning. But earlier I would say in some in can say cold time I was unable to wake up early in the morning at 5 o'clock, so it is also bad quality, right? And apart from that, these are some bad qualities according to me.
Okay, I will tell my bad qualities that I sometimes I fight with my sister also, and when we go to outside, I want that toy. Then my mother don't have money. She tell me I don't have money. That time, I am very angry
Oh,
and I cry also.
okay, but I would
And
say okay, but I would say
yes,
only one thing about you, that you are just a, I think, kid, so you should not cry at all because it will not shoot at you at all. According to me, you
yes,
should not cry at all.
yes, I don't cry every time. Just at the one day, my mother don't have money. That's why.
Okay, okay, not a problem. Actually, sometime it happens. It is all about some circumstances and situation as well. So sometime it happens. All right.
Yes, and my third bad quality is that that I when my friends don't talk with me, that time I'm very angry with them.
Oh wow. Okay. So I would say about your English because I have already let you know middle of the talk that your English is quite well. So have you already joined any kind of institute and coaching and tuition?
No, I don't go to tuition, but I go to dance class.
Dance class. Okay. Are
Yes.
you also a dancer?
Yes, I dance in that class, but I want to become a teacher. But I like to learn many types of like a dance also.
Okay. All right. So as you said before that I just want to be a teacher. So my question is here to be asked, which subject? English, mathematics, science?
I like to become a good English speaker, but I want to become teacher also. That I want to teach a English.
English. Okay.
Yes, I like to teach English subject.
All right.
What do you
Okay.
want to become in your future?
Actually, I would say about my dream, which I want to see myself in my future, alert regular mobility young.
Oh,
Do you know
okay.
what do you know what does it mean of it? Actually, this is the full form of army.
Oh, army. Okay. They want
Yes.
to become an army.
Absolutely, you are right at a place.
Oh.
So, which is your favorite place in India?
My favorite place is I like to go to Goa, but I don't
Yeah.
visit. But in Goa,
Okay.
there are so many beaches and
All right.
coconut water also.
Wow, that's amazing. Okay,
Yes,
so just imagine if you will get a chance in these days to visit at Goa beach. So would you like to accept that or not?
yes, I like to go I like to go. It's my dream also. And
Okay,
there are so many places also. There are so many beaches and water, and there are so many fish also. I can tell
okay,
you.
like
Do
so
you visit?
literally, no, actually, it is not my favorite place, but I would say about my favorite place. So that place name is Ladakh.
Oh, Ladakh.
Yeah,
Nice.
Ladakh. Yeah, because it is my one of the most favorite place in India, which and where I want to visit.
Oh, it is in India, and the Ladakh capital is a Leh.
Yes, absolutely, you are right.
Yes, I know. I have a India map also and Maharashtra map also. That's why I know.
Good job. Actually, you are a good speaker, but knowledgeable person also.
Oh,
Yes.
yeah. Uh, do you know I have piano also? Can I play one song on my
Yeah,
piano?
sure. Yeah, sure, you can.
Okay, I have this piano.
Wow, it is looking so beautiful.
Yes,
Okay, so can you just play right now? Only for a
yes,
few
I have
seconds.
piano.
Wow.
It has so many buttons.
Yes, I know. As I can see that there are so many features and buttons.
Yes, I will play one song.
Yeah,
I
sure, you can.
Okay.
Yes, I just wanna see it.
Madama, ni madama, ni ma, sani, o, sa, ni, madare, o, sa, kupani, kupani, kani, sa. I can do one repeat.
No, no, that's okay. That's okay. That's enough.
Okay, do you hear this?
Yes, yes, I have already heard because it was really quite well.
Yes, this is a song, Sagapaga.
Yes, I know.
I don't know
So,
how to play very well, but I can try it and I do well also and I do practice.
okay, I know very well. Actually, if you don't know about it, that how to play, but at least you try to do it well.
Yes,
So I
I
would,
do practice also.
yes, so I would say that it is all about your practice. The more you practice, the more you will be fluent at playing piano.
Yes,
Okay, so apart from that, apart from piano, so do you like to play another game like a
yes, I
cricket
like to play
and
another game.
hide and
Yes,
like a cricket and hide and seek? There are so many games.
yes, I like to play hide and seek, ice and water and coco. And in school, I like to play square dodgeball and circle dodgeball.
Yeah, that's that is also pretty well.
Yes, do you know dodgeball?
No, no, actually, I don't have sufficient information about it. So please let me know.
Yes, it's a boys versus girls. The boys will stand here and girls will stand here. And there are two balls. And the one ball it is one girl and one ball it has two boy one boy. And then we have to throw it. And when one girl throw it on the boy, it will be out and sit the another place and the boys will out to the girls not whole girls only one girl will sit that out
Okay, okay, I
and we
got it. I
play
got it. Actually,
yeah
it is very amazing game. I got it.
Yes,
I got it again.
yes, and everyday girls only winner. Boys is loser.
Absolutely. Okay, so
Yes,
do you have any question for me?
yes, I have question that what is the weather in Delhi, in New
Right
Delhi?
now, okay, right now weather is shady.
Oh,
Yes,
okay.
and the weather is very pleasant.
Oh, it's India's capital, New Delhi.
Yes, New Delhi. Delhi is the capital of India, as you know very well.
Yes, yes. Do
So
you visit? Yes.
have you ever been to Delhi?
No, I don't been to Delhi, but I would to come there.
Okay. So by chance, if you will get a chance to visit in Delhi, so where would you like to visit? I would say that there are so many places like
Yes.
Red Fort, Humayun Tomb, and Masjid.
Oh, I like to visit Taj Mahal, I think.
But actually, Taj Mahal is not situated in Delhi. Taj Mahal is situated in UP Agra.
Yes, I know, but I can come in the Delhi, then I go to Uttar Pradesh, and then I visit the Taj Mahal.
Wow, that is also great.
Yes. And which is your favorite fruit?
My favorite fruit is uh, pomegranate. Pomegranate.
Oh, it's a
And
red color.
yes, actually, sorry for that. Light has gone. So I'll connect you later.